Napapansin mo ba na hindi ka na makangiti ng buo? O baka may sirang ngipin kang pilit mong itinatago? Hindi lang yan tungkol sa itsura. It's about how you eat, how you talk, how you live your life. At Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we understand how much this affects your confidence, your health, your happiness. Hi, I'm Dr. Sly Bukad. Gusto kong malaman mo na may pag-asa pa. Our digital crowns are not just dental restoration. They are a second chance for your smile. With our advanced 3D intraoral scanning, we can create crowns that fit perfectly, no more messy impression, no more long wait, and we digitally design and 3D print your crowns in the clinic, ensuring the precision, durability, and natural look result. Mas matibay kesa sa dati at mas maganda at mas natural ang itsura. At mas mabilis, minsan same day fix. We do all this because we understand na hindi lang ito tungkol sa ngipin. It's about restoring a part of you. Yung dating ikaw na masaya, may tiwala sa sarili at handang ngumiti muli. Hindi mo kailangan mamuhay sa takot at sa hiya o sa sakit. You deserve to smile again without pain and shame. Let us help you to take that first step. Visit us today sa Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Message us today and book your consultation. Your new smile is waiting and will be here ready to rebuild with you. One digital crown at a time.
Bukad